Hi, just a little update on these guys. Remember when I shot the kodachome 64 DX color slide film in the regula ID King? I sent it off, and they don't develop it. Nobody in my area develops it anymore. Maybe somebody out there knows where I can get it developed. Keep in mind I live in Canada, so I might be pretty limited. I'm willing to ship to the US to get it developed. And the other one I should be able to get locally. I just finished the roll in the Konica c35 automatic. I just finished this today in there, so I'm going to send this off to see if my local guy will do it for me. But if I can't get this developed, I'm going to reshoot this. The regula ID King, beautiful German camera. There's a little shutter issue. I'm going to check that out. I think maybe, I don't know if you can tell me, cock the shutter, it's not firing. See, I don't know. Sometimes it will fire when I push this over. Sometimes it does not. Like if I do it now, push it over, it's not firing. Cock the shutter. So, is that the way you take the picture? Must. So, shooting this again, shooting a color roll of this. I'm using the Portra 160. I'll go get a roll. Be back in 2 seconds. So I'm shooting a roll of Portra 160 NC natural color 135 in this. And I might throw a roll. I probably will throw a roll in this, the regula, the ID King, just so I can show you guys the results of the images in the camera here. Should be fun. I'd like to take this back out again. So that's just a short update on these two guys. I'm going to try to get this developed this week, and this right now I cannot get developed in my area, the kodachome. It's a process, it's a K14 process, colored slide. So if anybody knows where I can get this developed, please leave it in the comments below. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and leave comments below. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.